Hi everyone, just come to share with you two journals that I have that will be listed in my shop. There will be, the link for that will be below. So they're two Traveller's Notebook size journals and they are blank inside, but with each one you get a little pack of goodies with it that you can use within the journal. So I will show you this one first. Try and not get them muddled up because I've put on this pack because the packs are just slightly different, not by a lot but just a few different things. So this one is Dream, so that's going to go with this one. I'll show you this in a minute. So like I said, Traveller's Notebook size. I have done my pocket, like double pocket and tag on the front cover. I've got a template for this and that is on my blog. I will link that below as well. Done some stitching. Sorry, the cardstock, the designer cardstock, it's kind of got like a faint pink tinge to it. It's sewn onto white cardstock, so it's a nice thick cover. There are, I can't remember how many pages, I think there might be about 80 pages front and back, but that will be listed in the shop. So in the pocket here, down the bottom, I've just decorated that with a ticket and a butterfly, some eyelash trim and the ticket. And everyone was asking me where these tickets came from. I thought they were Artie May's, and no, they weren't Artie May's. I thought they were Tsunami Rose. They're actually Dreams, etc. And they're from the collage collection, so you get these tickets within a larger collection. So that's, I hunted high and low. I was going through all my kits last night thinking, where did I get them tickets from? So it was Dreams, etc. I've made a large tag here using some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and then just some book page or dictionary page in the background. It's been coffee stained and stenciled, and it has some eyelash trim. I decorated the pocket using some Tsunami Rose, and the digital kit that I used is Charming Fragments, the Traveller's Notebook size. So we've got a tag in the front that says Little Moments, Big Memories, and then two little tags. One says Hope, one says Faith, and then it just says Dream there. So let's do a quick flip. Done some stenciling. So you can decorate this as you please. A bag, a doily. Someone had asked me where I got these doilies from. Cannot remember because I've bought some, I've been gifted some, and I think I got mine on Amazon or eBay here in the UK. But the ones that I was gifted were from Australia and America, so you can get them basically everywhere. Like the staining on this paper here. So as you can see, lots of pages to write or to decorate. Oh, some scrap pieces in there. So that is that one, and let me show you what you get with this one. See if I can get all this out in one pull. Probably not. Took me ages to actually fit it right inside this bag. There we go. So you will get a bridge scorecard. Now these are actually pretty good. You can kind of fold them up and make pockets out of them. You can coffee stain them, ink them up, decoupage on them. There is 6 tags which have been coffee dyed. So you could stamp, stencil, layer on them. There's a little definition card here. There is 10 tickets. There is 2 Project Life cards squared on the back. There is 2 of these little coin envelopes. Then there is 2 of these ones as well. These would be great to decorate and use as pockets or inserts. Large coin envelope. And then these are the prints from my digital what was it called, receipts, vintage receipts ephemera kit. So I've printed that out for you, but if you wanted to buy these, they are listed separately in my shop. They're just old vintage receipts. And these ones I've had to like tri-fold them because they're actually really big, and that's what I normally do when I put them in, but you can do whatever you like with them, but I'm doing that for the purpose of shipping and fitting them in the bag. So that is that journal and that kit. Right, let me try not get this muddled up. So I'm going to have to set this to one side with its journal to show you the second one, which is Believe, and its bag. So pretty much the same, just different designer cardstock that I've used on the cover, but generally just the same. We've got a large ticket tag in here, again using some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, as is this. It says Believe, ticket butterfly, some bling. This tag says this book belongs to, and we have this tag, it says Love, and this one with the rose, which would be really nice if you wanted to watercolour that or just pencil colour it. So I'll do a quick flip of this one. Pretty much the same as the other one, just some different digital papers, but still from the Charming Fragments Lover's Notebook kit. And it's all been either tea or coffee dyed. Can't remember which one. I think the last batch that I done was coffee, but then they all get muddled up when I'm looking for papers, and because sometimes they're too dark for my liking, so I shove them all at the bottom and then they just all get muddled up. Paper bag. So that is that journal, and then I will show you what's inside this. It's very much the same. I think it's just the ephemeras, some of the ephemeras just a little bit different, and there we go. So with this one, we've got another definition card. It says to intend, resolve. Then there's 2 Project Life cards. They are dotted on the back. There is 2 of them, 2 of these, 1 of them. I'll do the ephemera last. The 6 tags, all coffee stained, the tickets, the bridge scorecard, and then the ephemera. Again, this is just from my digital collection in my shop. So that is that. So that is them. I'm not going to bring the other one over because I'll get it all muddled up now. So they'll both be listed in my shop. The links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.